How to apply for unemployment in New Jersey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in New Jersey, providing you with the essential steps to secure financial aid. To apply for unemployment in New Jersey, go to the New Jersey Department of Labor and Workforce Development website, gather your social security number, employment history, and reasons for unemployment. Create an account or log in to file your claim online. Fill in the necessary information about your previous employment. After submitting, be sure to certify your benefits weekly to continue receiving payments. Now that you understand how to apply, you can confidently navigate the unemployment process in New Jersey.